Hi, welcome to Rue Genius. Today, I am going to tell you about how to shop online at AliExpress for just 1 cent. $0.01. There are a lot of products on AliExpress with 1 cent deal with free shipping as well. Now, first you have to create an AliExpress account if you don't have one already. I have logged into my account. Here you can choose any product of your choice after searching for 1 cent deal products using the search bar. I am going for a luxury stainless steel watch for men. We can either choose leather or steel type watch provided with multiple color range. Here we have black gold, silver white, gold black and leather. And white rose, gold blue, gold gold, black silver, black rose, black blue, silver silver, rose gold colors are available in steel. Apart from watches, you can also look for 1 cent deals in home improvement section, and there are a lot of jewelry items available for both men and women for just 1 cent only. It is also important that you take a look at seller's rating before going to choose a product. It is recommended to choose a seller with good rating and have sufficient amount of satisfied customer reviews. I am going for steel type and gold color. It is also provided with free shipping, but shipping fee may vary based on which country you live in and which item you choose, and of course it may also vary from seller to seller. It is also important to note here that 1 cent deal is also known as new user bonus. So let's click this buy now button. Also keep in mind that the most common payment methods accepted by AliExpress are credit or debit cards that are accepted internationally and web money, which is a Russian-based wallet. It is recommended to use credit or debit card for payment because web money will charge extra fee for every transaction. Here you have to put shipping information and credit card details if you are going to use credit or debit card as payment method. Keep in mind that AliExpress will verify your payment after placing order. And your order won't be confirmed until your payment is verified. So, the details provided in the shipping information, like name and address, must match your details you provided at your card issuance bank. Most important is country you are ordering your product from must match the card issuance region or country. Let me input my shipping information and card details. I have provided my shipping information and credit card details here. I am using my Visa card for payment. It will cost me 1 cent only, as you can see here. Can you believe you can get a gold stainless steel watch for just 1 cent? It is also important that you recheck your credit or debit card details and shipping information, plus review the total cost before clicking the place order button. Let's place order now. AliExpress takes less than a minute to process credit card payments. Our payment is processed now. As it says, payment successful. Thank you. We have received your payment. It clearly means payment processing system of AliExpress, which is AliPay, have put an authorization hold of 1 cent on our credit card. There is also an option to follow AliExpress on WhatsApp. If we go to order status page, it will show us our order ID and date and time at which our order was placed. And in the product action section you can see the store name and an option to contact seller directly. And most important, it will show us our order status as payment being verified. It hardly takes 5 minutes to verify payment. In case if the details provided to AliExpress don't match the credit or debit card details, your payment might be rejected by the payment processing system. In case our payment is rejected, it can take up to 7 days for credit card authorized payment to go off hold and added back to your card or bank balance. The actual price of the product is $4.89. But it costed me 1 cent only. That is 489% profit. It's insane, right? As mentioned already, apart from watches, you can choose any electronic or home improvement product or any product from any category that comes under new user bonus deal. Now if we head over to email we received from AliExpress, we can see our payment is successful and our order is confirmed. If we take a look at our credit card statement, we can see it only costed me 1 cent. No extra charges and no taxes. Now if we again take a look at order status page, we can see our payment is verified and awaiting shipment from seller, which can take maximum of 10 days. After item is shipped from seller, it can take maximum of 75 days for item or product or package to be delivered to buyer. Now we will move to Message Center, and as we want seller to deliver this product as a gift to avoid custom duty charges, because most of the countries do not apply custom duty charges on gifted items. We will leave a message to seller. Now we are done with every step required and ordered our desired product. Now we will wait for seller to ship the product, and then we will wait for product to be delivered to us. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon if you want to get notifications of new videos in my channel. Comment below if you need help or want to ask anything. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.